Good morning, you guys. I have had an eventful weekend / week. Today is Thursday, and yeah, we've had an eventful time. But today is a regular work day. I have a lot of clients on the schedule, so you know what? I said, let me get back into my vlogs because I haven't been doing that. You guys, I have not been inspired. I'm not gonna lie. I have not felt inspired. And I think I just had like a brain block because I had a lot going on. So now that I've gotten some of the bigger things off of my plate, it's time to get back into it. So my first client is what is she? She's a volume fill, and she should only take me about an hour. So I'm just going to kind of pop in and out with each of my clients and just show you guys bits and pieces. I don't want to make this like a long drawn out vlog. I just want to make it like a welcome back vlog because you guys, I've missed YouTube. I love the short form content, but there's nothing like a good long vlog, and I've been missing that for myself. I'm like, I gotta stop watching everybody else and create my own content again. So here we are.
The shit out of him.
I say just get him.
Yeah,
I don't
just
stupid.
stupid.
The whole thing.
Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in my chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't
I just went and I grabbed me some Panera. I got me that good old French onion soup with the French baguette and an ice cream tea. It's gonna hit every time. Heading back to work. It is 11:15 now. I got finished with my first client at about like 10 o'clock, and my next client is not until 12, so I got a good break for my lunch hour. So yeah, we're gonna head back and eat really quick. I already set up for her, so I can actually like take my time to eat this time, and then we'll get right into the next client.
you get me so high, you get me so high. You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. Coffee always on my mind. Doja, know you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you.
That is a wrap for today. I didn't get a ton of footage, but I feel like I got enough and like a good start to getting back into vlogging. But anyway, I got one of my clients heading out now for prom. She's actually my cousin, and she is over there in this cyber truck. I'll put a little clip in right here. And I'm about to go to her send off real quick. So, because, you know, I did the makeup, of course. But anyway, y'all, I will catch you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Mwah.